I'm going to show you the fun bit now, which is creating your pages and having them all linked together. So, I click on home, it takes me to the home page, although it's loading really slow on the school network. Take it to the T1000 page, it's loading on that. Parts page, it takes you to that. Returns, it takes you to that. And we're using hyperlinks, all right? So in your template file, you want to be able to add hyperlinks onto these buttons. The only problem is we haven't made these pages yet. That's not actually a problem, because if we make these pages by cloning the code of this template, those links will appear on each page as well. And when the pages are made, the links will work. All right, I'll give you an example of what I mean at the moment. So I want to call each of my pages, homepage should be always called index. That's a rule of all web design. The homepage is always called index.html. Call my T1000 series. The link will take you to t1000.html, and parts will take you to parts.html. Right, very quickly, double click on the image and go to link. So home should be called index.html. You should just type that in. Right, as I said, that page doesn't exist yet, so I'll show you what happens when I try to take you to it. Browse page, save. So I'm here, home. Ooh, snap, that file's not found. Right, that's not a problem, because as I said, we're going to copy this template to make the home page. Same with the T1000 series, that's not working. But all I did was each of these images, I just double clicked on them, went to link, and it added in this text here. So the name of each page, what you're going to save each file as, so t1000.html, all right, parts.html, returns.html, stores.html, etc. All right, so once you've done that, okay, we can then go into your folder where your template is and just copy and paste it. So copy and then V, 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 V. Right, first one is Control V for all those, by the way, not just V. Right, index.html. All right. Oh, I've done that twice. That's going to look really bad. It won't work actually if you do that. Okay. So what's the other one? We've got t1000.html. Okay, and parts.html. I'm going to just pause this for a second while I type these out. Don't want to bore. So I've got all these pages made, as if by magic. Index, T1000, parts, returns, stores. They all need to have the .html on the end of it, right? And we've still got the template. You don't delete the template, right? So when I go to index now, if I open that up, right, go to home, loads the home page, right? You notice the top bit's changing. To make it even easier, so that's all linked up now. There's no content on each page. They just got the template copied into them. But all the links are working now because these pages actually exist. Quick way of fixing this for you then. We'll close down the template just to make sure we're not going to make any mistakes on this. And we're going to go to File and Open File and Index. Right. Still says Robot Template on the top of it. I don't like that, so I'm going to go to Format and I'm going to go to Page Title and Properties, and I'm going to change it to Robots. I need to delete this first. Robots Home. Right, click OK, and ooh, now I know which page it is. I'm just going to pause while I do that with all the others. So I'm going to open each one in series. They're going to open in a new tab, and I'm going to change the names of all of them the same way I just did. Right, so I've got each of these pages open, okay, and I've renamed all of them. So I've got my home page, which is index, saved as index, robot parts. It tells you the name of the actual HTML file there, robot returns, visit our stores. But it's good to have these tabs renamed as opposed to just all called templates. You have no idea what they are. And I'm just going to put some placeholder text. So home, parts, returns, visit our stores, and the new T1000. Right, if I just quickly preview those, then I'll just go to browse page on any of them, save. I know it's not updated everything as it. Let's go to Composer. Can we do a save all feature like in Dreamweaver? It's going to go to each of them individually, which is great. Save, save, save. It's open source, it's free software, you can't complain. For free, it does some really good stuff. Right, they're all saved. Right, and if we browse, so home, T1000, parts, returns, yeah, and visit our stores. So you have a working site, you just got no content on it now. So that's going to be what the next few videos are about. So have a go at this.